Disrespect them with white builds because I'm white. No, I'm not. I'm black. What are you talking about, kid? To disrespect you so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Oh my god. I can't even build. Wait, what's wrong with my game? Oh my god. Wait, let me edit. Whoa, what are you doing? Bro, what are you doing? I just let you pickaxe me. I didn't move. Okay, bro. GG. Okay, I'm just gonna mute my mic like you. You're so bad. Dog water? Oh my god, get a life. Revive me? Oh my god, I'm trying to move on here so I don't fall, okay? Bro, look at your gray self. Oh my god, you're so ugly. About to one you. Oh my god. Headshot. Okay, whatever. Took your shield. Oh my god. Good thing. Wait, how? Wait, what? How'd your build fall? Oh my god, that was dumb. Oh my god, he's better than me, but I'm still better. Oh my god, I'm better at everything. Oh my god, you're so bad. About to do my height glitch. Oh my god. I can't even do a height glitch. Oh my god, what is this lag? Okay, I have to do this. Okay. Bro, try get my height. Like, what are you talking about? Better than you? Like, look at my height right now. What are you talking about? Look at my height. I let you kill me, whatever. Like, I can box Caden like you. I just got a text. Okay, whatever. It's not Caden. Bro, these girls keep on annoying my sister's home. Bro, I want to do height glitch so bad on this kid. He's so bad. Oh my god. Look at my height glitch. Oh my god. I'm gonna do it again. Get way more height than you. Okay, back up 2 more times. Do this until I get all my infinite height. What are you doing? Look at my height right now, but you're too high for me. Oh my god. How? Oh my god, I'm so bad. About to edit. Okay, bro, thank you. Cover that. Who's blowing up my sister's phone? Oh my god, what is this height? Give me a second. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Okay, give me my height. What are you doing? I can't do height glitch. What is this game? Okay, look at my height. What are you doing? Think you can height on me? Like, what are you doing? I'm glitching through builds. Like, oh my god, I'm glitching. I'm glitching faster than you. Look at my hacks. Oh my god. How am I so high up here? Okay, what is this game? Okay, it has height glitch. What is this? What is my height right now? I wish I could zoom out. Dude, that's how high. What? No, 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 no. I have height glitch. How? Oh my god, I just boxed you. How? Just let me die here.